Okay, so what stands out the most when you grab one of these packages is just how clean everything looks. You got the headphones on a solid white background, and it's just a nice look. It's sometimes less is more, and that's what they're doing here. It's like when you go to the Google homepage, and it's just everything looks pretty clean. All right, so you got the outer sleeve, just slides right off, and then again, these solid black with the emblem, the Beats emblem in the background. It just looks nice. And then this lid pulls right off, and then you got the red interior, a little sleeve that covers the headphones. Change the way you hear sound. That's a pretty bold statement. And there it is. You got the capsule, the carrying case capsule. This is a nice package too. Solid black with the red Beats emblem. You even got the little emblem on the zipper there. And it looks like it zips all the way around. So let's go ahead and open her up. Another thing about this carrying case is how firm it is. It looks like it's very protective. As long as your headphones are in there, it seems like they're going to be safe. I went with the black matte finish, but there are other colors available if you want to go with something that stands out a little more. So when you pull them out, you can just go ahead and unfold them. And right there is the right side. You can see it has the power button, and that's also the side that you're going to charge it. And on the right side, it has the controls. And right here on the bottom of the left side is the plug for the audio cable if you want to do wired, and on the left you have the power button for wireless mode. Both ear cups are going to slide up and down for an adjusted fit as needed depending on your head size or whatever's comfortable for you. And the ear cushions are very soft. It seems like they're made out of a pleather material, but they do feel quite comfortable when you put them on. And there's the Beats logo on top. Again, it goes with a nice clean look. And you can see the buttons with the B on it. Now on the right side, the B is actually your pairing button, and it's also your play and stop. And then right above and below are the volume up and down. So it's very easy to control with your playback device somewhere else, whether it's somewhere across the room or in your pocket. You can just control it from the headset itself. And when you're finished, it'll just collapse and go right back into its nice little carrying case where you can store it safely. Alright, so let's see what else came inside here. First thing we have is a power charging cable. One side is standard USB, and the other side is micro USB. Looks like it's a pretty good length too. Next thing we have is your standard instructions and warranty information that comes with just about anything you buy. And then we got this clip that goes on the pod. I'll go ahead and put that on there. It goes right through this little loop on the carrying case, and it even says Beats on it. It's a pretty nice addition. Once you get that little loop open, you just thread it through. And there you go. Now you can clip it onto something, a backpack or whatever you want. And the last thing in the box is the audio cable. One end goes into your media device, and the other end is going to go into the headphones. And on the side that goes into the headphones, it looks like it has the controls for volume and possibly track. And it looks like standard 3.5 millimeter, so it'll fit just about anything you have.